Hello everyone. Today we will see how to use aggregate functions in select query in MySQL. Today we will see average, minimum, maximum, count and sum functions in the select query. So the syntax for that will be select. For aggregate function average we are going to use the AVG, or the syntax is AVG. Then for minimum the syntax is min. For maximum the syntax is max. For count the syntax is same as it is count, and for sum the syntax is also sum. Fine. So to use this aggregate function, simply we have to write it like average, and in bracket I have to write the name of the column. Fine. And then from table name. In this particular you can have the other functions too, like in place of average you can write minimum, you can write maximum, you can write count, you can sum. Fine. So depends upon the requirement you can write. Even we can have various conditions like where clause also, where we can apply some condition. Apart from that we can have group by. Fine. So this way we can execute aggregate functions in select query. Fine. Let us see the demonstration of that. So I'm having one table. That table contains information of an employee, and in this table I'm having one column that is called employee salary, and we'll apply the aggregate functions on that. Fine. So let us see the query for that. So select, I'm going to write average function, average, and then name of the column, say the name of the column is employee salary, from, and the table name is employee. Fine. So this query is simple as that. So this one is going to find out average of the total salary of an employee. Fine. So let us click on go button. So the average is this much amount. Fine. Now we want to find out the maximum salary. So in place of average simply we have to write max. So that maximum value will be displayed. Fine. So the maximum value is 85,000. In place of max we can also use min, that is going to show me the lowest salary. Fine. So the lowest one is 42,000. Fine. Apart from that we can also perform the sum. Fine. We can go for the sum of the salary. So the sum of the salary is this much amount. Fine. So this way we can use various aggregate function. Now the last function that we have to go through is the count. If we want to count number of tuples, or we can say if we want to count the number of rows in the resultant table, then we have to use the count aggregate function. Fine. So if I'm going to write count over here, then it is going to give me the total number of rows in the resultant table. Fine. So the total number of rows are 20 here. Okay. Now we can also use aggregate. We can also use the group by. So group by will be group by, say I'm going to write department number. Fine. So in department number it will be group by. So according to the departments it is going to give me the count, the number of employees in a specific department. Fine. So this way we can perform. Even I can write sum over here. So it is going to give me the sum of employees salary according to the department. Even I can add one more uh, column, that is called department number, so you will get better idea. Fine. So here you can see department number 7, the sum of the salary is this. Department number 8, the sum of salary is this. Department number 9, sum of salary is this. So in this way you can execute or you can use the aggregate functions in MySQL. Thank you very much.